this little bugger, Charley, is starting to flutter and fly. I'll have to watch her. I might have to clip her wing. She's making little flight movements. She just elegantly hopped, half flew, half hopped from the table, which isn't very far away. It's about a foot and a half, from the edge of the table onto my thigh, and then she climbed up me. And the cute thing was, she was up the tree where that birdie is above our head, if you can see it, eating those little red flowers in the umbrella tree. And then when I came out to sit here, she half flew and half plopped down, because she sort of, I can't say flies, but flutters like a loud crashing splat. We could never send you to flight school, Charlie. You would fail. You're a failure like your mother. But we fail so spectacularly that even in that we become a raging fucking success. Yes? You might splat and plop down from the tree, Charlie. But Mama never even got off the ground. So you're doing better than me, Charlie. Doing way, way better than me. Yes, I know. You love your mother unconditionally. That's why people have pets, you see. Because they just love us. For no good reason, just because they can. Bobo's over there, quietly observing. We've had a little visit from little Coco, the little poodle, part Shih Tzu, dog-ass goddess. He gave me lots of kisses. It was very sweet. So we've had lovely things happening today, Charlie, in spite of my weird mood. It's just a state of mind. You've got a little birdie above your head, Charlie. Can you see the birdie above our heads? I heard it flying. It's a little Indian myna bird, I think. Well, it might be a butcher bird, I didn't quite see it. It's up there. Bobo's taking great interest in it now. Bobo, who's up there, Charlie? Who's up there, Bobo? So I was going to go to reverse garbage today, buy some scraps of carpet to fix Sox's little scratching post, because he's totally annihilated all the carpet off it. And then I thought, I don't feel well, it's probably better I stay home. So I'm staying home with my guys. Oh, it's a lorikeet. It's another lorikeet. How lovely. There you go, Charlie. You've got friends up in the tree. Look. You're going to go visit your friend? Hey? You're just going to be isolated like your mad mother. Well, I'm not really mad. We're not really mad. We're just a little bit wounded, aren't we? We're a little bit kintsugi'd and wounded. Mummy took a dive. Sometime last year she took a dive and she hasn't been able to pull herself back up out of it. I don't know what that's about. Don't know what that's about. Yes? I know. Can you see the other birdies? Oh, Charlie. She's just peed on me. Can you see the other birdies? Tell me a story, Charlie. Lorikeets are in the tree, Charlie. You better go and find yourself a friend. You need a husband, Charlie. She says, I don't need a husband, Mama T. I'm a happy little birdie. Alright, you don't need a husband, Charlie. You're right. That's a patriarchal, misogynistic worldview, habit of a lifetime. She's off though. She's off. Look.